Model, 64-plate Citroen Relay 35 L3H2 HDi 130 6-speed Enterprise camper conversion. Body, silver, camper. Mileage, 259,419. MOT, the 25th of November 2024. Engine, 2198 cc 4H Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs perfect. Turbo needs replacing. This is a straightforward turbo replacement job. Engine, clutch and gearbox of fantastic, very well maintained, lots of receipts, definitely worth repairing. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features: 3 former keepers, part service history, EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.